two brands, 2 days exclusive Navratri show happening at Reflection 2.0, where you can get the Navratri collection. You will have range of dupattas and beautiful unique jewelry pieces and handcrafted footwear as well. So do visit and collection show what is Pipeline.
Hi, my brand name is Tiara and today I have come up with my German Silver Navratri collection. So we have chokers, we have necklaces, we have long pieces, fusion pieces, silver look like pieces. We have a whole range of option in plain without stone with dual tone. These are fusion pieces. These all are one of the kind. This is our statement pieces. See, it looks like real silver only, but this is fusion in German silver. These all are our statement pieces. The one I am wearing it, even it is a statement one.
Some blouse pieces options also. We have kept this on 50% discount. So if this is priced for 2000, you can get them in 1000. We have all of this color options in this. This is all in bandhanis. Now this is something in the patoras. This is something in Banarasi brocade.
And they have got actually huge collection of blouse pieces.
Yes, again
So
this
just
is
bring
like
your
my
sarees.
personal favorite. Yes, you can bring your saris and you can match those with our blouse pieces. This is something so versatile. You can go pair it up with lot of saris. Again, these are very perfect for majority of the saris will go with this kind of blouse pieces. We have some pastel shades also. This is something.
So if you wanna crave this amazing look, then do visit here. You will have more options in it.
In this, we have all of these options.
Some bright colors.
Some bright colors, something
bold.
black,
Yes.
something in the cream base,
So nice.
something in this green. This is all the Navratri collection. We also have something in tissues. This is all are the options.
With nice
In the
flare and nice
tissue.
detailing.
We also have something for your pre-wedding functions.
So nice. So these are some smart pieces.
Something, this is one of the our best sellers. This comes with 15-meter flare.
Wow.
This is perfect for your haldi and mehndi outfit of chanya choli.
I've made jewelry for kids as well. They are very lightweight, delicate with thread work. So I'll show you some options. It's all in silver look like. See, we have elephants for kids, flowers. We have variety of option for kids as well on the thread. Bangles, सिंगल भी ले सकते हैं और साइज इसके 2, 4, 2, 6 है. We have in golden also, mix match करके stackables के लिए.
These are the options for the Navratri. So this is something in the vintage collection, something in the pastel shades, something in this
At very minimal price.
price. This is just priced for 2000. We also have something below 1500, so you can go for not so expensive dupattas also. We have options for them also, and we have some dresses which is on discount. This is all 20% off. We have some 5-6 designs in this. We have something in checks. These are all the color options.
Yes.
So for those who don't want to go for the monochrome, this is all the different options.
So you can come here and mix match also if you
Yes.
want to pair it up
This
differently.
is again in a pastel shades. We also have something in patolas,
Wow.
something Lucknowi with the patola border in it. We have something in the cotton. This is all just priced for 5,500 with dupatta. We also have just the chanias.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we have got some beautiful collection of footwear along with Navratri collection.
And we have different heels with different belts, as you can see. This is in wedge, this is in platform heels, this is again with the different metallic shade in the belts. Again, these are different. This is all the new launch. As you can see, again, this is simple, sober and classic. These are the options. This comes in the flats. If you want in heels, you can customize that also. Again, we have the glossy collection, the one I am wearing, something like this. It has other color options. This is bow style, and this is again a routine wear footwear.
We have a whole range of bangles in German silver. More than 30 designs we have. In jewel tone, in stones, plain. We have rings. We have pretty earrings. For this Navratri, they are extremely lightweight.
Footwear का भी short area. Footwear का भी. आप ले लो ना. Footwear
These
का
all
भी.
are earring options.
But that's okay. That's fine. This is looking decent.
We have more than 500 earring options. They all are lightweight.
This is all are the dupattas options.
So you have each and every color you want.
Definitely. And we have different designs
Yes.
to explore. We also have something in the florals, something in the larias.
So nice.
This is again very different designs, the olive green ones. Again, those are our hot sellers. Some pastel shades, some Banarasi brocade, something just priced for 2,000. In this also we have lot of options in this. We have something in the Lucknowi dupatta which is just priced for 1,500. We have something Banarasi brocade.